Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I am going to be demolding my molds from the Wednesday night Artapolooza that was hosted by the artist Haven, where we had 5 people doing a live stream at the same time. I have the link down below. It was really a great night, beautiful artwork. Oh my goodness, it was wonderful. I had so much fun. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I had the, let's see, the mermaid tail. And, oh, wow. That turned out beautiful. Let's see, and then we had a couple of seashells. Ooh, whoops. Oh, wow, look at the... See if I can get it up there. That is really detailed. Whoops. Alright, let's see how the dragons turned out. Trying to be very careful because there's some very fine, thin parts to this mold. Come on, let go. There we go. Oh, wow. Whoops, sorry. Look at those wings. Oh, that is so beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to demold the other ones and I will be right back. See y'all in a second. Alright, so I have all of the dragons demolded. There we go. With the beautiful icicle. And I'm loving this blue. It is so beautiful. So now I'm going to demold the coaster set. Now this is the puzzle piece with the one in the middle. Okay. There we go. So this is the back side. And this is the front side. Now I like how the icicle mixed with the blue here, but I think I need to use something a little bit thicker than what I was using to do the flames. Whoops. I really like this side, so I think I'm going to go with the back side for the front. I'll just sand down the sides here so it'll be level. I think that's what I'm going to do on that. There we go. Right. Those are coming out really easy. Now, I do like how the icicle mixed with the blue on this side. I'm really liking that. Yeah, I'm really not liking this side. But that is cool. I'm loving that. I am leaving that there. Alright. Let's see. Now I was worried when I was torching this because I was doing a short burst because I did not want to melt the silicone into the resin so that it would possibly tear the mold. Ooh. Oh, that's turned out pretty cool. Yeah, not digging. Definitely not digging the other side. That's the side I'm going to be keeping it at. Whoops. There we go. Alright, now Come on. Oh, yeah, I like that little spot of gold there. Now, it looks like I'm going to have to work on trying to get the sides to match more. Alright, let's see the centerpiece. Sorry, y'all, I have a new setup and I'm trying to get used to it. Now, this was the icicle by Eye Candy, and I did that just, wow. Let's see if I can show you where it doesn't, there we go. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. I don't think it'll look right. Oh, now let's see, can I get it together? That went on easy. Oh, wow. Oh, that is terrific. I was really worried about if that would fit on there easy like it does. Oh, I'm really liking that. That is beautiful. Wow. Well, thank y'all for joining me, and we are going to have another Artapolooza on Wednesday at 7:30, and that's the Artist Haven. I have her link down below. Well, down below. If you'd like to check them out and see how this was done and what the other ladies did. They did some beautiful artwork. Well, please do hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next video. Well, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.